Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook Marketplace failed to publish error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, you need to check your internet connection. So first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly. And then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode and then go back to home screen. Now long press on Facebook apps. Open Facebook app info, click on I button or app info. Go to storage option. Clear cache your Facebook storage. Don't click on clear data option. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now update your Facebook apps. Search Facebook. Update your Facebook apps in latest version if available any update version. After completing Facebook app update process, now restart your device. After this step, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully.